My name's Evan, and in this video I'm taking you with me to thrift stores on the hunt for items to flip online for a profit. There are like dinosaurs everywhere in this store. Apparently somebody donated their whole collection. And I've been looking for one of those crazy, valuable Jurassic Park dinosaurs. I'll throw some comps on the screen here, but haven't found anything. It's all just kind of nothing really crazy. I mean, that's Jurassic World, but nothing great there. Alright, I just came across this thing. I can't find any comps on it, but that's a vintage Tonka truck, all metal. The other one's $6.99. I feel like that's worth a shot. It's in decent condition too. So I'm totally going against my own rules here because this thing's definitely going to take a lot of space and I couldn't find any comps on it. But when you find a vintage metal Tonka fire truck for $7, I kind of feel like that's a no-brainer. Worst case scenario, I'll play with it myself. If the ladder goes up and down and extends in and out, kind of fun actually. And also maybe I can get like 20 bucks for it on Facebook Marketplace. I don't know. Gonna do some more research on eBay, but for $7, really cool.
Detroit, move over. Make room for Mound, Minnesota, the trucking capital of the world, where scores of dedicated workers supply the nation's trucking needs with incredibly rugged trucks that come in all kinds of models and go for all kinds of prices, which is why year after year, more people buy Tonka trucks than any other truck in the world.
I haven't been to this Goodwill in probably 3 or 4 months. Usually it's packed, but there's like only like 4 or 5 cars here. I don't know whether that means that it's not been good and people stopped coming here or just, I don't know. Let's find out. I think I figured out why there's not many people here. They don't have much inventory. Look at the racks, they're pretty bare. Here's the electronics, kitchen appliances section, and yeah, it's kind of sad, honestly. Here's a Canon printer. They want $21 for it. Oh, it actually might be sealed. I doubt it though. That's resealed. So yeah, no good. Yeah, usually these racks are like so full of clothes that you can't even look at them. I'm not sure what's going on. This is very interesting. It's a George R.R. Martin premium talking plush. It's not working, but this is the guy that wrote Game of Thrones, and I'm just kind of curious, what would he say if he was working? I don't know, let me comment down below, but wrong answers only. What would George R.R. Martin plush say? Kind of curious.
That's what I do. I drink and I know things.
Oh, that's cool. That's pretty awesome. $5, Cleveland. That's definitely older. Grab that. $4 on the cover. Oh, that's sick. Older Star Wars too. Sounds large. $3. Yeah. Just found this Hawaiian shirt. Thought it was a generic Hawaiian shirt, but it's Wrangler, made in the USA. Didn't even know they made Hawaiian shirts. It's gonna be $3. We're getting that too. Not a bad little stop. I certainly won't complain for $15, but for $3, got this vintage Wrangler made in the USA Hawaiian shirt. Had no idea that Wrangler made Hawaiian shirts, and there's actually comps in the $30, $40 range, so that's not too bad. Got the Star Wars like rock concert t-shirt. There's people asking crazy prices for these, but most of them are going for $30 to $40. This one does have some cracking in the graphic, which may actually add to the appeal. Who knows? Size large. Paid $3 for it. I think I can get 30 for it, no problem. And then this Cleveland golf jacket. I'm a golf nerd, so it's really cool. This is definitely an older jacket because it's Tour Action. The Cleveland Tour Action stuff came out quite some time ago. Not sure it's vintage, but it's at least vintage adjacent. Really cool jacket, good condition. $5. Found comps, one listed, one sold, about $39. So that's a pretty good pickup too. And I'm always going to pick up these older Carhartt shirts, these heavy Carhartt shirts. Great time of year for them. paid $4 for it. It's got a fade on it, and sometimes I think that actually helps with the value. People love the faded look. Makes it look like they actually are working and doing stuff. I don't know. But I'm already at the next stop, this Goodwill. Hopefully this luck continues. All right, so I'm not finding anything at this Goodwill. I'm even in the women's section looking around. We'll go to the next one. So this is kind of crazy. I just found 2 pair of shoes. Same brand I've never heard of before. Martin Dingman. Like I said, never heard of them before. These look basically new. These are in decent condition. I'll go over them when I get outside because they're kind of surprising. So if you've never seen these or played with these, they're actually kind of fun. And for $3, I'm gonna get them for my kids to play with, and probably me, because you know I'm like 8. Some floor mats for Mazda, and they're actually new and sealed. Yeah, they're sealed from both ends. They want $11. I'm gonna look those up. We got some stuff. First up, Martin Dingman shoes. Never heard of them in my life, and I couldn't find a model number or anything, so I Google Lens these. The retail on these are $275, so I feel like I can at least get $50 on them on eBay. Unfortunately, they are my size, and I mean, they may have been worn once. These I almost didn't get because of the wear on the toes there, but looking at comps, some of them actually are, they just look like that. I don't know, maybe they're made to be like that, or that's desirable, I don't know. But they were $650. I think I can get 30 or 40 for those, maybe more. And then the Mazda floor mats actually look like they sell pretty well. They were $10.99, a little bit more than I'd want to pay, but they sell for around 40 or 50, and they should sell pretty quick too, and they are new and sealed in the package. But this guy, I didn't look it up at all. It's a Toomey bag, and it's a Toomey T3 series. They're really good. Paid $10 for it. It was actually right beside the checkout. I was standing in line to check out, and I caught it out of the corner of my eye, just hanging up on the wall. So I grabbed it for $10. I'll look up comps and maybe throw some on the screen, or maybe we'll talk about it, because I kind of want to verify these things are real, and it's a pretty easy way to do that. So yeah, pretty good haul. But we're actually right beside the clearance center or the outlet or the bins or whatever. They don't restock during the day, so whatever's out there has been out there since 10 o'clock this morning, and it is currently 2 o'clock. But you never know, so we're gonna walk in here and take a quick lap around. So this is interesting. Walt 2.0. It's like a hands-free crunch. It's dirty, but it feels like all the straps and stuff are there. Let's look that up. Alright, so there are 17 listed pre-owned. That's how many sold. 30 sold. So you may be buying a crutch. 89, 75, 100. I'll look at that one. Yeah, mine's got all the same pieces. I think it's complete. I might take some cleaning up, but I think it's going to be worth it. We'll see how much they charge for that. Alright, so that was kind of nuts. $3 for the Walk 2.0 hands-free crutch. I'm probably going to get home and find that it's missing something, but first glance, all the straps are there. It's decently clean. I'll rinse it off. But for $3, I think I can get it 70 for it, maybe more. And the sell-through rate's really good. That's a winner. So I just spent $21 on this stroller covered in what appears to be dog hair, and it's not even complete, and I think it's going to be absolutely worth it. I'll explain it when I get home. So it's been about 2 days since I went on this thrift run, and I've had some time to do some research, and I want to go over that stroller with you in a minute, but I also want to come clean,
because I definitely made some bad buys. First up is this Tonka fire truck, and honestly I got pretty excited when I found it because I've sold similar ones before for some decent money, but there's only 2 listed, and they're listed really high, which is good, but there's also none that have sold. So it may take forever to sell, it may not ever sell, who knows. I think it was kind of a bad buy. I may put it up on Facebook Marketplace, like I said, and see what I can get, maybe put it up for 30, 40 bucks. Never know what might happen, but I still think it was a pretty bad buy. But the big surprise, honestly, was the Toomey bag. I thought I could at least get $100 for that thing. Big garment bag like that, only paid $10 for it. I was pretty excited. But once again, there's no sold comps. I actually saw some for sale for like $42, $45. Somebody was asking $120 for one. So once again, I may be holding on to this thing forever. And it's big too, so I definitely should have looked up comps. Kind of regret buying that one, unless maybe I keep it and, you know, who doesn't need a garment bag? But either way, that was kind of 2 bad buys that I probably shouldn't have made. But the stroller is a different story.
So this is the City Select Luxe by Baby Jogger, and it's not even complete. There's supposed to be a whole other seat up here, at least some brackets for a car seat. But yeah, you can see it's not there, but what it does have is a secondary seat, and that's what we're looking for. These brackets right here that just pull in and out, they sell on eBay pretty regularly for almost $100. So 21 into 100, that's pretty good. Not only that, I can sell this seat, I can sell this basket down here. I think I saw comps for like 20 or 30. I can sell the wheels, I can sell these little brackets right here, and they all sell pretty quick. So for $21 into 100 plus, not too bad.
So I'll admit I definitely made 2 bad buys, but I think the stroller kind of makes up for it. And leave me a comment down below. Would you flip baby stroller parts? Let me know. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.